This tutorial review will show you how to record Discord video. To record your Discord video, download the OBS Studio software first. Download and install the OBS on your computer, then open it. And then you will get the source panel here. Now we need to create a new source. So click on this plus and select display capture. You can change the name here. Click on OK. And you can change the display from here. To capture your cursor, check this box and click on OK. Now to capture your Discord audio also, again click on this plus icon for sources and select audio output capture and change the name here. Click on OK. Click on device and select here your output device and click on OK. And if you want to capture your input device also, then again click on this plus icon and select audio input capture. OK. And select your microphone. OK. And now all you have to need, just click on start recording. And as you can see, the recording is started. Now go to your Discord. Now OBS is recording your Discord, and to stop the recording, open your OBS Studio again and click on stop recording. And to find the recorded file, click on file, show recordings, and here is my recorded file. I'm going to opening it to show you. So that's how we can record OBS video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.